enjoyable and valuable experience for me today. Learn to overcome fear and everything else.
I come to this seminar with the impression I've learned more from first aid, but it gives me more than that.
Being trained to be a hero is not always easy. This trainer will know how to show you on a step-per-step basis and in a funny way to take away your fears and to be able to be the one that can make the difference.
Well, what I've learned in the program itself is how to identify your fear, eradicating the fear, and after that, how to just do it when the time comes. So I'm a true hero.
True hero.